A simplified fraction is an equivalent fraction that has the smallest numerator and denominator possible. Did you know a great way to understand simplifying fractions is thinking of them like a finished statue? Imagine you are a sculptor. You start with a big block of concrete and you slowly chisel away the stone to make your dream artwork. This is exactly like simplifying a fraction. You start with the original fraction. Just like a sculptor, you reduce your fraction to a more elegant and simple form. Next, we need to learn how to simplify fractions. To simplify fractions, keep dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. When both the numerator and denominator are even, divide by 2, 4, or perhaps 6. When both the numerator and denominator are odd, divide by 3, 5, or 7. Remember, 5 divides all numbers whose last digit is 5 or 0, and 10 divides all numbers whose last digit is 0. If we were given the following fraction to simplify, we divide both top and bottom by the same number. Since both are even, we can divide by 2. Half of 12, we get 6. Half of 26, we get 13. After every calculation, we ask, can we divide any further? No, since there are no other numbers besides 1 that divides both 6 and 13. If this video has been helpful, please hit the like button so it has a better chance to share to more people. Let's look at another example to simplify. We divide both top and bottom by the same number. Since both are odd, checking if 3 divides both is a good start. Yes, dividing by 3, we get 3 over 9. Remember, after every calculation, we ask, can we divide any further? And yes, we can divide both 3 and 9 by 3 again, giving us 1/3. Could we get our answer in one go? What number divides the original fraction to get the final answer in one calculation? 9 is the number. Checking if we divide the original numerator and denominator by 9, we do get 1/3 in one calculation. How can we find this number in the first place? Dividing a fraction by its highest common factor simplifies the fraction in one calculation. The highest common factor, also known as the HCF, is the factor with the highest value that is common between your numbers. Let me show you. Finding the factors of the numerator and denominator, firstly, the factors of 9 are 1 and 9 and 3 and 3. Next, the factors of 27 are 1 and 27 and 3 and 9. Notice that the number with the highest value that is seen in both sections is 9. Remember, it is okay if you miss finding the highest common factor when simplifying fractions. You just need to simplify again. Though a great game to play is to see if you can find the highest common factor each time when simplifying fractions. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, learning how to communicate your understanding is essential when solving problems. Watch this next video to master exam-style questions easily.